South Africa's first locally produced COVID-19 vaccine candidate has made it through a preliminary run. Biovac 2121 is expected to be tested on the population later this year.
We have already started planning of our first clinical trial to take this vaccine into humans for comparing it with the other current mRNA vaccines to ensure that it meets the standards and that it's non-inferior to other mRNA vaccines.
Should the jab pass the efficacy requirements, it will go into full-scale production with the Biovac Institute, a manufacturing partnership with the state.
It will have to undergo stability studies and confirmation at a laboratory level of its comparison with the material that Afrigen has produced. We would have to then ensure that our facilities are up to scratch so that the clinical trial material can be produced at scale.
Africa faces a myriad of diseases that get little attention from the West. The breakthrough puts the continent on the cusp of a new era in the development of medicines.
Through the pandemic, we have learned or understood the importance of ensuring that we have manufacturing capability in South Africa. But the technology platform that they are developing is a platform that in the future will assist in South Africa and Africa being more independent in terms of vaccine manufacturing.
We've had a huge challenge in developing an HIV/AIDS vaccine, even a new generation TB vaccine. We want to ensure that those diseases and issues that confront us most, that the locus of control lies in our hands, that we would be in a position, which we're not in currently, where we can drive that agenda forward.
It may be a few years before the necessary checks and balances are complete and Biovac 2121 gets the final thumbs up, but the speedy progress in preparing the jab for clinical trials brings hope to a continent almost left behind in the COVID-19 pandemic.